Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use multiple accounts in Brawl Stars. So first of all, launch your Brawl Star, and then what you'll have to do is you'll have to press this three bar icon. After pressing that, you'll see there is an option called Supercell ID. So press on that as well. It will take you to this page, and from here you'll see this cock icon at the top. Press on that as well. So it will open this settings menu. So from here, if you are a guest ID and you haven't connected your ID with Supercell ID, you'll have to save your progress. You have to connect a Supercell ID or create a Supercell ID. So I've already created one. So to get another or multiple accounts, what you'll have to do is you'll see this switch account button. So press on that. So after pressing on that, what you can do is you can log in to your Supercell ID. So suppose you have another account with a different Supercell ID. What you can simply do is log in with that ID, and you can switch your IDs from the original one to the new one. And if you want to create a new Supercell ID, or you want to delete it, what you can do is press log out and then simply log in with your new Supercell ID, and both of the ID will stay here, and you can jump back and forth by using this switch account method. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.